Howdy, paper engineers in training. This here is my Star Destroyer. Now, if you notice, all of these things that I made were all modular units. I tried to make a different modular unit for every inch of this. Very cool the way this turned out. I had to count the pieces and then put them in place like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And the base is 21. That's 21 pieces just to make that part. And I did that over this entire Star Destroyer. Oop, I better get farther away so you can see. What's going on here? Why is it out of focus? Anyway, I don't know. It has sustained damage over the years. But considering how many times it gets moved and shuffled around and pushed here and pushed there and showing it off, considering this was made in 2017, a lot of it is holding up extremely well. Extremely well. Those engines, those were insane hard to do. Very difficult. These ones right here, I took bottle caps and I put Elmer's glue and toilet paper around a bottle cap, let them dry, and then took them off. Made them look like thrusters. These ones are different. I had to build every one of those thruster pieces. I had to hold them all together and then sand them all down so that they were even enough to where I could build the body of the thruster. So the cool things that this has is amazing. This piece of pipe started up here. It went over there, went down there, went around there, and it went around that corner and disappeared. I love inventing things. Well, this is one of those deals. I invented this hobby, and I am going to continue. Oh, man, I almost lost it. Hold on, guys. I got to get this straightened out. There we go. Okay, anyway, this is the most beautiful piece. 11,390 pieces of paper went into this, and I counted every one of them. When I'd make a modular unit like this, I put the number right up here on top of the chassis before I covered it with skin and armor. And it got crashed. I don't know where it crashed. I don't know how that happened. But anyway, that's caved in. Oh well, it happens. All of those pieces, everywhere, including underneath it. The only thing that really is alike are the deflector arrays, or fireball candy, and the guns. The quad laser cannons on both sides are exactly the same. Anyway, you guys, this is my Star Destroyer. And if you look in these holes with a micro camera and a light, you actually can see the Nike shoe boxes that I built this with. This is one of the very few pieces that I used actual cardboard on. Everything else is chipboard. All right, Paper Army, salute. I love you all. Take care. And thank you for being the best part of humanity.